done?
Please
I mean,
subscribe to
when
my
you're ready.
channel
Recording?
to see more do-it-yourself videos like these.
Hi,
and
welcome
support
back
my
to
channel.
DIY Geek. In this video, I'm gonna quickly explain to you how to reset a POE camera. This is a hikvision POE, 3 megapixel regular POE camera with infrared, etc. So first you want to do is locate. There is a push button right here, switch. This is the switch that you have to press and hold for about 15 seconds. So the trick is that you have to hold it while you're plugging in the power or the Ethernet. Okay, so again, one finger is holding that, and you would want to locate the cable and go ahead and plug it in. And then once it starts blinking, there's gonna be a light start blinking. Let's go ahead and count 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so now you can let go and it will power cycle, and once it power cycle, it should be back in factory default mode. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.